Dear students, in the chapter Human Health and Diseases, the topic which we are going to discuss this time, this is types of diseases. Disease is any malfunction or impairment in an organ system, or body as a whole. The disease can be classified in a number of ways. The first way to classify disease, number one, congenital disease. These diseases are those diseases which are inborn. These diseases can be caused by gene mutations. They can be also caused by chromosomal mutations. The diseases are caused as a result of abnormality in chromosomes or as a result of abnormality in gene. The second category of diseases, these are diseases which are acquired. These diseases can be acquired during the lifetime, which are non-inheritable and appear only after birth. These non-inheritable diseases are those diseases related to the diet, or these diseases are those diseases which are related to the infections or the pathogen. This is one way of classifying human disease: congenital disease and acquired disease. On the basis of their communication, we can also classify the diseases into two types: communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. Communicable and non-communicable disease. Communicable diseases are those diseases which transmit from one person to another person by direct contact, indirect contact, or without the social distance. Non-communicable disease or non-infectious disease are those diseases which do not pass from one individual to another individual. Communicable disease can be transmitted from an infected person to a healthy person by means of air, water, physical contact, or vectors. The communicable disease can be classified according to their causative agents as well as according to their modes of transmission. According to their causative agents, communicable diseases are of 6 types. The first one is bacterial type. For example, TB, tuberculosis, caused by the tuberculin bacteria. The second category is viral diseases, caused by the viruses, for example, influenza, measles, polio, smallpox. One more category is there. They are the diseases caused by the protozoans. These diseases are malaria, these diseases are leishmania, kala-azar, and sleeping sickness. They can be also as helminthic diseases, the diseases caused by flat and roundworms. Flat and roundworms such as teniasis, ascariasis, elephantiasis, liver rot. They can also be classified as fungal diseases, diseases caused by the secretions of fungi or their spores. For example, ringworm, athlete's foot, candidiasis. The disease can be also classified as rickettsial diseases. These are those diseases such as typhus fever, trunk fever, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, etc. On the basis of mode of transmission, these diseases can also be classified as contagious disease and non-contagious disease. Contagious and non-contagious. The contagious diseases are those diseases which are communicable also in nature. They separate from an infected person to healthy person by actual contact between them. For example, smallpox, chickenpox, and chickenpox, as well as measles, leprosy. The non-contagious disease can separate from an infected person to healthy person with food or air or water or any substance that is the part of the environment. These non-contagious diseases are teniasis, caused by the Taenia solium, ascariasis, caused by the Ascaris lumbricoides, this is the round one, or the cholera and tuberculosis, as well as typhoid. Or microorganisms are injected inside the human body by some carrier or vector hosts. For example, the malaria caused by the mosquito, and filariasis caused by the casual organism filaria, elephant Vocaridia bancrofti, and the plague caused by a bacteria. Then there are non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. These non-communicable or non-infectious diseases can be deficiency diseases, diseases caused due to the deficiency of a particular substance, for example, diabetes, deficiency of insulin, dwarfism, deficiency of growth hormone. They can be also degenerative diseases. These degenerative diseases are due to the aging factors, cardiovascular diseases, arthritis. They can be also cancerous diseases. These diseases occur due to uncontrolled growth and division of cells. They can be also allergic diseases. These diseases are caused due to the extraordinary response hypersensitivity to certain antigens. For example, asthma, fever. This is all about the classification of different communicable and non-communicable human diseases.